about attention TV so and Nana pay so for queen to an matter drama. Edin somewhere cost Ghana crumane, I'm on in somewhere costona. And I'm Miss Swami, the promises of bell like no subscribe, no ashes any. Yen ye be or take quite on no subenya be ashe. Eye call a year Canada memoir, a bemoir, on yen shadan ya bemoir, papa moir, or 39 years, not just say, where your papa moir and near fi kama. Now, quite say Canada memono, and asa brochi memono. Abrofona to monime na chese oh ye chatting be a chatting e bi o ha ne amane bi na se chatting na woni obi chatting e be ha obi na woni ne chatting na chese ye di u chatting na chi e wo net ne so na chese duma bi a wodi bia e wo se yensa esomu Ishmael e wo 39 years e wo Canada na oni abayo wenya 14 years e chatting nyina ye opemu awro ho kire me ye say faunsa ehye wase twa onufu fa wotetema fa onufu na no kakra na fa senim na chese oni abawe edi sa adwuma na oni abawe anu so montam kwan wa wo hwa be se fiase ekọ sunyane ekwan wa papa yi abomodia atna eye plemu atu kwan akosa akro nu so akohia eye 14 years girl we ene na ye ne obey na chese wo hwemu pa dia akoye rape case we na brofo no edi ntente edi ma yachi edi ne niema wo ye woni phone achi a sabre yensa so eye Ishmael ye Ghanaian mana o wo Canada yensa so ni mu sabre mikase woti ni suo wawa ni suo na woti ni nyina ase kyerese broni a wache se wudi nsemoni a ase kyere ni na kyerese Ghana na kyerese ye bia na ba no ebusuafo na ebu akwa misra o maboka jese ye deported no aba eye Ghana back ye bisa no se wo fi krom be mu wo bo Ghana edina te se Ghana for kran wasanso aguye ni mu asekakra zabre de ye de ne tena premu e de na ba Ghana wontumi entu kwan entena premu enko ba bia enam sebe taskwa kakra water free nso anfa kwan paso antafre akwala no esua 14 years na jese eya ye rape case kakra ma yanko hwe nkyeremu afimu omra sisi anda.
How old did she say? In this file, see this file? Yeah? Ishmael, you see this file? Yeah? Every message you've sent from the first message to the last message is in this file. So you tell the truth. Right, Allah won't help you. How old did this child say she was, Ishmael? How old did this child say she was?
Oh, I really want to turn that tap on.
How old? What does that say there? Look at this. Look at this. What does that say there? How old does that child say she is?
I don't know what to do again.
You don't know what to do again?
I'm committed. Please, arrest me. Please.
You will be arrested. The police are going to. The police will turn up. The police have been called. Don't beg me. Begging me is going to get you nowhere. All right.
I'm not running away, boss. I'm not running away.
What were your plans for this child today?
I just want to see the person. I just want to see.
Remember I told you about all the messages I've got here, from the first message you sent to the last message you sent, okay?
Please.
Yeah?
Please.
With a child, okay?
Right.
Listen, crying ain't going to do you no good, all right? I want you... 3 children we know that you're speaking to.
That's a 13-year-old as well. You've been a busy boy, haven't you?
How many more?
Eh? Yes.
I've not done anything to anybody. I've not done anything to anybody.
What country are you from?
Is it Uganda?
Ghana.
Ghana,
You from
yeah.
Ghana? 3 children you're speaking to. Is there any more?
2 14-year-olds and 1 13-year-old.
So we're going younger.
Mm-hmm.
What age do you like, Ishmael? What age excites you? What age do you get off on?
13 and 14-year-olds, isn't it? They float your boat, don't they? Don't they?
Yeah,
They're not letting go. No, they're not letting go of you. They're not letting. Listen. Excuse me, I'm talking to you.
This lady is talking to you.
They're not letting go of you. Do you understand?
You don't like it when a lady talks to you like that, do you?
No, don't like a powerful woman, do you?
You know she can't look you in the eyes.
No. Why can't you look at me? Why can't you look at me? Eh?
Don't
Why can't you look at me? Do you know the damage you do to these children when you're talking to them in the way that you do? Huh?
Why did you arrange to meet her then?
Why did you ask her for pictures just in her pants? And you was going to buy her a new phone so as they were better pictures.
Oh, so you've asked for indecent images of a child as well?
Yes, yes. You've turned up here today to destroy an innocent child's life. You've turned up here today to destroy an innocent family. Because it's not just the child's life that you destroy, it's the family's life as well.
I'm not here.
What are you here for then? So tell me, what are you here for then?
I'm here to see a friend.
Right, can you look at me when I'm talking to
I'm
you?
here to see a friend.
How old's your friend?
My friend, I'm here to see a friend.
How old is your friend? You can't say it, can you?
Do you think it's normal of a man your age to have a friend of 14? Do you think that's normal behaviour? Do you think that is correct behaviour? Well, guess what? No, it ain't.
You've travelled 5 hours to see your 14-year-old friend, haven't you? This innocent little girl. Why weren't you here at 12 like you said you were going to be?
You got lost.
Huh? You got lost, didn't you?
Been all over the country, haven't you? You're 20 minutes up the road and you've had to show your
But the most frightening thing is that you still made sure you got here though, didn't you? Yep. Eh? You could have turned round God knows how many times, but you didn't, did you? You still got here, begging the child to stay here. I'm coming, please don't go, I'm coming. I'll be there in half an hour. Oh, I'll be there in another half an hour.
Got on the wrong train again, I'll be an hour.
Begged the child to stay because you were so desperate to get your grubby little hands all over her, weren't you? You dirty man. Yep, there's a van here now, guys.
Hey, I deal with them say ebi baga na anka you anka papa fo anka ye wi ye me ye kwentwa maka kan ye nsabe so mu nyina mu anka ye fine pa kwesi bro ni so de watoto ne makama me da sese o twen akra